Tools and techniques for environmental scanning. Environmental scanning involves systematically gathering and analyzing information about the internal and external environments that affect an organization. This process helps identify opportunities, threats, and risks, allowing organizations to adapt their strategies and make informed decisions. Here are some common tools and techniques used in environmental scanning. 1. SWOT analysis. Description analyzes an organization's internal strengths and weaknesses, and external opportunities and threats. Purpose provides a framework for understanding an organization's competitive position and identifies areas for improvement and growth. Example: a software company might identify a strong brand reputation, strength, a small human resources department, weakness, the emergence of a new technology, opportunity, and an increase in competitors, threat. 2. PESTEL analysis. Description examines the broader macro-environmental factors that can affect an organization: political, economic, social, technological, environmental, and legal. Purpose helps organizations understand external forces like government policies, economic trends, societal values, technological advancements, environmental concerns, and legal regulations. Example: a business entering a new market might consider trade policies, political, inflation rates, economic, consumer preferences, social, technological advancements, technological, environmental regulations, environmental, and labor laws, legal. 3. Top environmental threat and opportunity profile. Description focuses on categorizing external factors specifically as either a threat or an opportunity. Purpose helps businesses streamline their response by prioritizing attention on factors that pose the greatest risk or opportunity. Example: a company facing a potential economic downturn might identify it as a threat and develop mitigation strategies, while seeing emerging market demand for a new product as an opportunity and allocate resources to exploit it. 4. QUEST Quick Environmental Scanning Technique. Description a simplified and efficient method for environmental scanning, particularly useful when resources or time are limited. Purpose quickly assesses key factors and helps businesses focus on critical issues without extensive resources. Example: a small business owner might use QUEST to identify top priority issues affecting their immediate market and customer base. 5. Scenario planning. Description involves creating multiple plausible future scenarios based on different combinations of uncertainties and drivers of change. Purpose helps organizations anticipate potential developments, prepare for different outcomes, and develop strategies that are robust in various future environments. 6. Trend analysis. Description examines changes over time in markets, industries, customer behavior, or other relevant factors. Purpose helps identify emerging patterns and forecast future developments. Example: analyzing sales data over several years can reveal a declining trend in a particular product category, signaling a need to adapt. 7. Competitor analysis. Description involves studying competitors to understand their strategies, strengths, weaknesses, and market position. Purpose helps identify opportunities for differentiation and develop strategies for competitive advantage. Example: a company might analyze a competitor's pricing strategy, product features, and marketing campaigns to identify areas where it can outperform its rivals. 8. Market research. Description involves gathering and analyzing information about customers, market trends, demand patterns, and consumer behavior. Purpose provides insights to guide marketing strategy and product development. Example: surveys, focus groups, and interviews can be used to gather information about customer preferences for a new product. 9. Data mining. Description applies statistical and computational techniques to extract, analyze, and visualize patterns and insights from large and complex data sets. Purpose: discovers hidden patterns and validates new knowledge that can inform strategic decision-making. Note: the choice of techniques depends on the specific needs of the organization, the industry it operates in, and the resources available. Effective environmental scanning often involves using a combination of these tools and techniques.